Hi guys, welcome with Uncle Chen. Me in here at MBG Bali Galeria Mall. And you can bring your kids here. Look, these toys, it looks amazing. You can bring your kids coming here. And also in here they have kids station. You can do shopping in here. This is on the second floor, guys. On the second floor. And this is Lego. This one is all about Legos in here. Abby's in there. Huh? Sure. But I'm not sure if you're going to spend money there. We're going to have a look. Okay, it's all about Lego. You can come here and play Lego for free. Go, play Lego. Kids love Legos. They have so many Legos at home. And you can buy any kind of Legos in here. From toys Lego, building puzzle. Look at the kids. This kind of Legos in here. So much, a lot of choices from Formula One in here. Cars, building cars in there. Look at that. I don't know where the kids going. You got anything, boss?
More squishmallows.
Squishmallows. That's a 400,000.
I know. Lily.
Are you going to get that? I don't think so, eh? No. Anyway, any Monopolies, they sell Monopolies in here as well. Yeah. Oh, Peppa Pig. Alright. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna share to you guys what they have outside over here. Oh wow, this is coming soon in here. It's gonna be a great place for kids next time you're coming to Bali. Get ready, out of this world. Coming soon. Wow, this is something good for entertaining. And the time zone is just on the other side, and I'm gonna show you guys later on. I will show you, take you there later on. What do you think about this, Abigail? What is that gonna be?
You haven't been here when that was there.
It looks like it's a fun thing.
I
Say,
already know about that.
What's about?
It's soft play.
Huh? Like a time zone.
Soft play.
Soft play.
Yeah.
Oh, we got. It's gonna be a soft play, guys. Like a playground. I don't know if you can spy it.
You can peek through this wall.
No. Nothing.
I can see tunnels. I can see like the receptionist.
Receptionist. Alright. So yes, this is on the second floor.
Baba,
Are you
wanna
out
go
there?
on? This place. Baba, wanna go on?
You know what?
Go on.
At the back. I'll press the button. Chiri, 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 chiri. Giraffe. So, hey guys, if you want to give your wife a time, you can bring your kids here. Just
They have the biggest time zone in that.
yeah, you can bring your kids here. Let your wife enjoy herself, her time, and you will be okay in here with your kids.
They have bowling and bumper cars.
Or even though use this a car. What do you call this?
Bumper cars.
Bumper cars. Look at that, bumper cars. And they have a bowling in here. And
He forgot to bring the time zone card.
yeah, I forgot to bring the time zone card, guys. But definitely this place is so good for kids. We're gonna show you. We're gonna show you inside. Let's go. And I don't know what is that. It's ooh. Hey, mamma mia! That shocked me, bro. There's a strong man over here. Oh, look at the bumper cars. Bumper cars. Even the mommy and husband are playing, and kids especially. It's a chaos. And now they're all stuck in the middle. Okay, where are my kids? Monopoly. Bowling. Alright. I'm gonna show you guys the bowling. Here we go. Bowling. Alright, bring your family here. We're gonna play bowling. Something excited. Go. Oh, you can actually do a party in here as well. Look at that. That's a party. Like a birthday celebration. Peter Parker. Wow, you can contact them, guys. Time John. Yeah, you can organize the party in here as well. I'm gonna show you around, guys. Wow, this is cool. What else do they have in here? I never tried this. Maybe next time I'm gonna try it. I don't know what is this, guys. Yeah, the biggest time zone in Bali. Very nice. I'm trying to see the face. Don't touch it, Emily. Don't touch it. This is cool. Not only that, guys. Look at that. That's a big one. You can get them next time. Basketball. We love this with my wife. We love this. We're gonna go around. Where? Osa. We don't have the card. I wish I had the card so you can play. Wow. That's a lot. Alright, let's go home then. Ooh, you just missed that zombie.
Next season. Okay, next.
Alright, let's go. Hit. Alright, now we go guys. Thanks for watching. That's just information for you if you come into Bali. Bring your kids, bring your family, then you can enjoy time together with them while you are in Bali. Cheers guys.